Hello, and welcome back to my study guide. And I'm moving on in with the sections here, and I'm giving myself a review of my book and trying to remember the concepts so I can get ready for my exam that's coming up. And now that we've learned, the sum of the angles, we move on to the most important. I keep calling things most important or most common. I think this is just, those shapes or whatever that are, commonly used in practice materials to be able to, for us to be able to recall the basics. So when we go to answer those questions, those are the type of things that we will be tested on, the concepts of the basics of the introductory to geometry. So now that we learned the inside of things, we are now moving onwards to the outside, which will also help us calculate things on the inside later, like volume. But for now, we will have the perimeter of a polygon is basically your measurement all the way around a polygon. So as you will soon learn, like in the real world, most common probably example will probably be like floor plans, or if you're trying to, measure a pool or, some kind of area that you need to fill in. You want to know how much stuff you need to buy. A contractor wants to know how much you need to put in, and things are sold by the shape and the volume of things and the square footage. And usually we will see things calculated in feet and inches, of course, because that's the United States. And other forms of mathematics will soon learn that things will be calculated in centimeters and meters and things like that. But we'll get into physics in other chapters. For now, we do keep things. The basic ones here are feet and inches. I'm going to say those are the two most common. And all the time, you will see things that don't quite add up to an even measurement. Like you will have like a third or a fourth or whatever of a side, because some things are sold in fourths of a yard and things like that. So a yardage is another common measurement seen in our industry here. And things, if you go to the store, you are probably going to buy something measured in feet, yards, or inches. And of course, if we're going to need chain or fencing or other material, we are going to want to know the perimeter of an object or a polygon to know how much to buy. And as of course, you know the square has all equal sides. And if we measure all of these sides here, that will give us the perimeter.